Good evening, all of you. So, now let's discuss the fifth question of this exercise. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, so here some informations are given. So, let's find it first. Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Okay, what is the temperature at 12 noon? At 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius is the temperature at 12 noon. Above zero means plus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, that means what? What is the change in temperature? Okay, temperature is changing. And what is the change in temperature? It's decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius means what? 2 degrees Celsius per hour means there is minus 2 degrees Celsius temperature change per hour. In each hour, there is a change of minus 2 degrees Celsius. Why I have written minus 2 degrees Celsius here? Because there is decreasing at the rate of, okay, since it is decreasing, I have put here minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, now until midnight it's decreasing, and the question is, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? That means what? At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero means what? Below zero, if it's 8 degrees Celsius means it will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, and we have to see at what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, for easily understanding this situation, I am considering a number line here. Okay, and let's write the time here at 12 noon. Okay, at 12 noon, what was the temperature? The temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, and in each hour, that means per hour, the temperature is decreasing by 2. That means what? In the very next hour, that means at 1 o'clock, what will be the temperature? It will be 8. Now at 2 o'clock, what will be the temperature? It will be 6. At 3 o'clock, temperature will be 4. At 4 o'clock, what will be the temperature? It will be 6. It will be 2. Okay, it's decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius. At 5 o'clock, temperature will be 0. Okay. At 6 o'clock, temperature will be minus 2. At 7 o'clock, temperature will be minus 4. At 8 o'clock, temperature will be minus 6. Okay. Now, at 9 o'clock, temperature will be minus 8. Okay. And our question is what? At what time temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius? So, we got the answer as what? 9 p.m. Okay. At 9 p.m. the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. In this way, you can find the answer. Understand? That is, we have started from 12 noon. 12 noon we have started. It was 10 degrees Celsius, which is given in the question. And as the time passes, per hour there is 2 degrees Celsius decrease in temperature. So 10 will become 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, and finally it will reach minus 8 at what? At 9 p.m. Okay. So at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? You can write it as at 9 p.m. temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, not 8 degree, but it's minus 8 degree. Okay, understand? This is the answer for first question. Now, what is the second question? Second question is that what would be the temperature at midnight? At midnight means what? At 12 o'clock. Okay, at 12 a.m. what would be the temperature? That is what we have to find. At 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, which is already given in the question. And you know that there is minus 2 degrees Celsius change in temperature per hour. Okay, that means you can tell total change in temperature till midnight. Okay, total change in temperature till midnight. How will you calculate this total change in temperature till midnight? Till midnight means how many hours are there? 12 hours, is it? That is from noon till midnight, 12 hours are there. And what is the change in temperature per hour? It's minus 2 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So the total change in temperature till midnight will be 12 into minus 2. That means what? It will be minus 24 degrees Celsius will be the total change in temperature till midnight. Understand? Now the question is that what would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, so the temperature at noon was what? Temperature at noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius was the temperature at noon, and there was a change in temperature till midnight, and the change was minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the temperature at midnight would be 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 24 degrees Celsius. Understand? So what will be the answer? Answer will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Understand? Minus 14 degrees Celsius will be the temperature at midnight. Okay, temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Understand how we are doing this? That is, the temperature at noon is given as 10 degrees Celsius, and there is a change of minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, and since till midnight total change in temperature will be 12 into minus 2, and you will get the answer as minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, now the temperature at the starting time, that is from noon, was 10 degrees Celsius, and now the change in temperature is minus 24 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at midnight would be what? You have to just add them. Okay, then you will get the temperature as minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the answer for second question. That is, temperature at midnight would be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Or if you are not able to do all these steps, then you can just find the answer from this picture itself. How will you find it? Temperature at midnight means what? You have to just calculate the next one, that is at 10 o'clock temperature would be minus 10. Okay, now at 11 o'clock temperature would be minus 12. Now at 12 o'clock, that is midnight, the temperature would be minus 14. Simply you will get the answer as minus 14. Okay, till 9 you have already calculated, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius is the temperature at 9 p.m. Now to reach the midnight you have to just calculate 10, 11 and 12, and at 12 you will get the answer as minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, in this way also you can calculate the answer. Okay, anyway the temperature at midnight is minus 14 degrees Celsius, and the time at which the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius below zero is what? At 9 p.m. Okay, this is the first question, answer for first question, and this is the answer for second question. Understand? So I hope you understood this fifth question. Now let's see the sixth question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. Okay, that means in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Okay, so marks for correct answer. Okay, what is the marks for correct answer? Plus 3. Okay, plus 3 marks are given for correct answer. Now what is the marks for incorrect answer? Marks for incorrect answer. If you are getting any incorrect answer, then you will get minus 2 as the mark for that particular answer. Okay. Now question is that Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay. So first question. Radhika scored 20 marks means what? Total marks scored by Radhika is equal to 20. Okay. Let's write it. Okay, what is the total score? Marks scored by Radhika, it's given as what? 20. Okay. Now, if she has got 12 correct answers, that means number of correct answers is equal to 12. Okay. Number of correct answer is equal to 12. Okay, this is the case for Radhika, and we have to see how many questions has she attempted incorrectly. Okay, that means number of incorrect answer is what we have to find. Okay, this is what we have to find out. Okay, total marks scored by Radhika is given as 20, number of correct answer is given as 12, and we have to find the number of incorrect answer. Okay, so we already know that marks for correct answer is plus 3. That is, if you are getting any correct answer, then we will get plus 3 for each correct answer. Okay, and in the question it's given that number of correct answer is 12. Okay, that means we can find the marks for correct answer. Okay, how will you find the marks for correct answer? You know that whenever you are getting any answer correct, then you will get plus 3 marks for each answer, and it's given that number of correct answer is 12. Okay, so the marks for correct answer will be 12 into 3. Okay, why 3? Because plus 3 is the marks for correct answer. For each correct answer you will get plus 3, and Radhika have got 12 questions as correct. Okay, so she will get 12 into 3, which is equal to 36. 36 marks she will get as what? Correct answer. Marks for correct answer. And the question is, what is the number of incorrect answers? In the question, it's already given that total marks scored by Radhika is 20. Okay, that means total marks scored by Radhika is 20, and the marks for correct answer is 36. That means marks for incorrect answer will be what? 20 minus 36. Understand, this is the total score, and this is the marks for correct answer. So marks for incorrect answer will be just subtracting, we will get the marks for incorrect answer. So what is 20 minus 36? Is minus 16. Okay, minus 16. So minus 16 will be the marks she got. That is, marks Radhika got for incorrect answer will be minus 16. But our question is what? What is the number of incorrect answers? Okay, what is the number of incorrect answers? So it's very easy to find the number of incorrect answers. Why? Because marks for incorrect answer is minus 16, and we know that for each incorrect answer you will get minus 2 as negative mark. That means the number of incorrect answer will be equal to what? Minus 16 divided by marks for each incorrect answer. Understand, this is the marks for incorrect answer. Marks for total incorrect answer is minus 16. And what is minus 2? That is the marks for each incorrect answer. Okay, marks for each incorrect answer is minus 2. So if you are dividing this total marks divided by marks for each, then you will get what? You will get the number of incorrect answers. Understand? And that will be equal to 8. So Radhika have got 8 incorrect answer. 8 is the answer for this question. Understand? Marks, that is, marks for each correct answer is 3, and marks for each incorrect answer is minus 2. And total marks scored by Radhika is 20, and number of correct answers is 12, and the marks for correct answer, so it can be found out easily. How? 12 into 3. Now marks for total incorrect answer, how will you find it? That total marks scored by Radhika minus marks for correct answer, then you will get minus 16. Now this marks for total incorrect answer divided by marks for each incorrect answer will give what? The number of incorrect answer. So what is the number of incorrect answer? It's equal to 8. Understand? In this way you can find this answer. Okay. Now what is the second question? Let's see the second question. Now the second question is that Mohini scores minus 5 marks in his test. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted correctly? this case is the same, that is marks for each correct answer will be +3 and marks for each incorrect answer will be -2. Now the question is, Mohini scores -5 marks in his test, that is total marks scored by Mohini will be equal to what? -5. Okay, total marks scored by Mohini is -5. Though she has got 7 correct answers, that means what? Number of correct answer is equal to 7. Understand? Okay, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Here also the question is number of incorrect answers. Okay, now what would be the marks for total correct answer? Okay, marks for total correct answer. How will you find the marks for total correct answer? That is, the number of correct answer is 7. So 7 into, what is the marks for each correct answer? It's 3. So 7 into 3 means what? 21. Okay, 21 is the marks that she got for total correct answers. Okay, now what would be the marks for total incorrect answers? What would be the marks for total incorrect answers? That is, the total marks scored by Mohini is what? -5. Total marks scored by Mohini minus the marks scored for correct answers. Marks scored for correct answer is 21. Okay, so -5 minus 21. What is -5 minus 21? It's -26. Okay, so -26 will be the marks scored for total incorrect answers. Understand? How did you find this answer? This is the total marks scored by Mohini minus total marks scored for correct answer. Then you will get the total marks scored for incorrect answer. Okay, now in order to get the number of incorrect answers, okay, for getting this number of incorrect answers, what you have to do? You have to just divide the marks for total marks for incorrect answers divided by the marks for each incorrect answer, which is what? -2. Okay, now what is -26 by -2? -26 by -2 is 13. Okay, so Mohini got, or Mohini attempted 13 questions incorrectly. Okay, answer for this is, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? The answer would be 13. Okay, 13 would be the answer. So this is all about the 6th question. I hope you understood this. Okay, now let's see the 7th question. Seventh question is, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Okay, elevator means what? Lift. It is descending into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Okay, if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -30 meter? Okay, so let's draw the picture. Suppose this is the ground level. Okay, if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level means what? The elevator is going downwards. Okay, elevator descends into means what? It's going down. Okay, so from where it's starting to going down? From 10 meter above the ground level. Okay, that means from 10 meter. Okay, here it's 10 meter. This distance is 10 meter. Okay, from here the elevator is starting to move down. Okay, from here it's going down. How long will it take to reach -350 meter? That means it's going below the ground level. This is the ground level and the elevator is moving below the ground level to the mine shaft, and it will reach where? It will reach at -350 meter. Okay, it's starting from 10 meter and it will reach -30 meter, 350 meter. And the question is, how long will it take to reach here? That is, from here to here, what will be the time taken to reach this -350 meter? Okay. And in the question, one information is given. What is that? It is descending at the rate of 6 meter per minute. That is, it's moving downward at the speed of 6 meter per minute. That means you can tell that in 1 minute, elevator is moving 6 meter. Okay, but since the elevator is moving downwards, you can tell that elevator is moving minus 6 meter in 1 minute. Okay. Understand? In 1 minute, elevator is moving minus 6 minute. Understand? Now, the question is, how much time will it take to move which distance? This distance. Okay. So, in order to find that distance, what you have to do, here there is 10 and here there is what? 350. Okay, 350 below the ground means here it's 350 and here it's 10. So, what is 10 plus 350? 10 plus 350 means what? It's 360. Okay, so since it's going down, we can tell that what is the total time taken to cover this minus 360 meter. Okay, we have to find that answer. Okay, what is the total time taken to cover this minus 360 meter? Understand? So you have to calculate the time taken to reach minus 360 meter, or the time you have to calculate the time taken to cover minus 360 meter. Understand? So, and you know that from the question it's given that in 1 minute it will cover minus 6 meter. So in how much minute or how much time will it take to cover minus 360 meter? Okay, so for that what you have to do, for that you have to just divide this 360. Okay, you have to just divide this minus 360. You have to divide this minus 360 by minus 6. Okay, if you are dividing minus 360 by minus 6, you will get the total time taken to cover this distance. Understand? Here the total distance they need to cover is 360 meter. Okay, since it's going down, we can write it as minus 360. And in 1 minute, it will cover minus 6 minute. Okay, so the time taken to cover this entire minus 360 will be what? Minus 360 by minus 6. Okay, so let's divide this 360 by 6. So what will be the answer? 6, 36, 0, 0. So answer will be 60. Okay, so 60 minutes will be the answer. Okay, 60 minutes means what? It's 1 hour. Okay, so the time taken to reach minus 35 minus 350 meter is what? 1 hour. Understand how we are doing this question? Okay, so this is how you have to do the 7th question. I hope you understood this. Okay, so this is all about this exercise 1.3. I hope you understood all these questions. So that's all. Thank you.